everyone. Welcome to Study Vibes Education. Powerful 500 General Knowledge 2021 for all competitive exams. O2 Power 500. K21. What is the width of the narrow gauge of a railway track? Ans 2 feet 6 inches. K22. 22. Which country is known as the land of the rising sun? Ans Japan. K23. 23. Which city is the capital of Madhya Pradesh? Ans Bhopal. K24. Which city is the capital of Afghanistan? Ans Kabul. K25. 25. Which city is the capital of Japan? Ans Tokyo. K26. Which animal is called the ship of the desert? Ans camel. K27. In which year Mahatma Gandhi was born? Ans 1869. K28. What is the width of the meter gauge of a railway track? Ans 1. K29. Ans 1 meter. K29. Which is the largest continent of the world? Ans Asia. K30. Which is the largest country in the world? Ans Russia. Thank you so much for watching. Shining off.